Here is a wonderful 2018 Toyota Tacoma. This vehicle still has fewer than 45,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. This rugged Tacoma has the features and attitude to answer your spirit's call for adventure. Engineered to meet the demands of the trail, its off-road heritage underpins its tough capability, while its modern technology keeps you safe, connected, and entertained. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: navigation system, keyless entry, sun, moonroof, fog lamps, dual zone AC, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, intermittent wipers, tire pressure monitoring system, universal garage door opener. Feel confident on the road or trail in this capable Tacoma. Come in and take it out for a spin. We're here to make your test drive experience the best it can be.